Olive oil is often celebrated for its numerous health benefits, from promoting heart health to providing anti-inflammatory effects. However, even this revered oil has its potential pitfalls when used improperly. To ensure you're reaping all the benefits and none of the drawbacks, it's essential to avoid these 15 fatal mistakes when using olive oil. Each mistake can pose significant threats to your health, so understanding them can help you make the best use of this valuable kitchen staple. 1. Using olive oil for high-temperature cooking. Many people mistakenly believe that olive oil is suitable for all types of cooking, including high-temperature methods like frying. However, olive oil has a relatively low smoke point compared to other cooking oils. The smoke point of olive oil typically ranges from 320 deg F to 410 deg F, 160 deg C to 210 deg C, depending on its quality and refinement level. When heated beyond its smoke point, olive oil breaks down and produces harmful compounds like acrolein and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which can irritate the lungs and are potentially carcinogenic. Ingesting foods cooked in overheated olive oil may contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and increased cancer risk. For high-heat cooking, it's safer to use oils with higher smoke points, such as avocado oil or refined coconut oil. 2. Storing olive oil improperly. Olive oil is sensitive to light, heat, and air, all of which can cause it to oxidize and become rancid. Storing olive oil in a clear glass bottle on your kitchen counter exposes it to light, accelerating the oxidation process. Similarly, keeping it near the stove or in a warm pantry increases the likelihood of heat exposure. Once olive oil oxidizes, it loses its health benefits and develops free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Consuming rancid olive oil can lead to gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea and diarrhea, and long-term exposure to free radicals may increase the risk of heart disease and cancer. 3. Using olive oil past its expiration date. Like all oils, olive oil has a shelf life. Extra virgin olive oil, known for its high quality and rich flavor, typically lasts about 18 to 24 months from the date of bottling. After this period, the oil begins to degrade, losing its beneficial properties and developing off flavors. Consuming expired olive oil can negatively impact the taste of your food and potentially harm your health. Expired olive oil may contain degraded polyphenols and antioxidants, reducing its protective effects against inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, the consumption of stale oil may cause digestive discomfort. 4. Confusing light olive oil with lower calorie options. The term light on an olive oil bottle can be misleading. It does not refer to the oil's caloric content, but to its flavor and color. Light olive oil has been heavily refined, stripping away much of the oil's beneficial compounds and leaving behind a more neutral taste and lighter color. While it may be suitable for certain recipes where a less pronounced olive flavor is desired, it does not offer the same health benefits as extra virgin olive oil. Relying on light olive oil as a healthy option can lead to the loss of valuable antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in higher quality olive oils, diminishing potential health benefits. 5. Assuming all olive oils are created equal. Not all olive oils are of the same quality. Extra virgin olive oil is considered the highest grade as it is made from pure, cold-pressed olives without the use of chemicals or heat. Lower grades, such as virgin or pure olive oil, are produced using a mix of cold-pressed and processed oils, often involving chemical solvents. These lower-grade oils lack the robust flavor, aroma, and health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Using lower-quality olive oils may result in reduced antioxidant intake and increased exposure to potentially harmful chemicals used in the refining process. Opting for high-quality extra virgin olive oil ensures you're getting the most health benefits. 6. Ignoring adulteration and fraud in the olive oil industry. Olive oil is one of the most commonly adulterated food products globally. Some producers mix extra virgin olive oil with cheaper oils like sunflower or soybean oil and sell it as pure olive oil. This practice not only deceives consumers, but also poses health risks, especially for those with allergies to certain oils. Moreover, adulterated olive oil lacks the nutritional profile of genuine extra virgin olive oil. Consuming adulterated olive oil can lead to allergic reactions, reduced intake of beneficial nutrients, and increased consumption of unhealthy fats. Always purchase olive oil from reputable sources and look for certifications like the North American Olive Oil Association (NOA) or International Olive Council (IOC) to ensure authenticity. 7. Using olive oil exclusively for cooking. While olive oil is excellent for cooking, it should also be consumed raw to maximize its health benefits. Many of its valuable compounds, such as polyphenols, are more potent when the oil is not heated. Using olive oil exclusively for cooking means missing out on its full range of health benefits. By not consuming raw olive oil, you may lose out on its maximum anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cardiovascular protective effects. Incorporate extra virgin olive oil into salads, dips, and dressings to take full advantage of its health-promoting properties. 8. Not checking the harvest date. Unlike wine, olive oil does not improve with age. The quality of olive oil diminishes over time, and it is best consumed within 12 to 18 months of harvest for optimal flavor and health benefits. Many consumers overlook the harvest date when purchasing olive oil, leading to the use of older, less effective oil. Using olive oil that is past its prime may result in diminished flavor and reduced health benefits. Always check the harvest date on the bottle and choose the freshest oil available to ensure you're getting the most out of your purchase. 9. Heating olive oil in the microwave. Microwaving olive oil can cause it to heat unevenly and quickly reach its smoke point, leading to the formation of harmful compounds. Additionally, the microwave can damage the oil's chemical structure, reducing its nutritional value. Microwaving olive oil can produce toxic fumes and degrade its health-promoting compounds. For safer use, heat olive oil gently on the stovetop or use it raw. 10. Using olive oil as a skin treatment without proper knowledge. Olive oil is often used in skincare for its moisturizing properties. However, applying olive oil directly to the skin, especially for those with sensitive skin or certain skin conditions, can clog pores and exacerbate issues like acne or dermatitis. Some people may also experience allergic reactions. Applying olive oil to the skin without proper knowledge can lead to breakouts, irritation, or allergic reactions. Always perform a patch test before using olive oil on your skin and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. 11. Using olive oil in homemade preserved foods. While olive oil is a natural preservative, using it in homemade preserved foods, such as garlic or herbs in oil, requires careful attention to safety. Without proper acidification and storage, these foods can create an anaerobic environment conducive to the growth of Clostridium botulinum, the bacteria that cause botulism, a serious and potentially fatal illness. Improperly preserved foods in olive oil can lead to botulism, characterized by symptoms such as muscle weakness, difficulty swallowing, and respiratory failure. Always follow safe preservation practices and store preserved foods in the refrigerator. 12. Consuming excessive amounts of olive oil. Although olive oil is a healthy fat, it is still calorie-dense, with about 120 calories per tablespoon. Consuming excessive amounts of olive oil can contribute to weight gain, which is associated with an increased risk of various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Overconsumption of olive oil can lead to unwanted weight gain and related health problems. Moderation is key. Use olive oil as part of a balanced diet, incorporating other healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and avocados. 13. Assuming olive oil can replace all other fats. While olive oil is a versatile and healthy fat, it does not contain all the essential fatty acids the body needs, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil and flaxseed oil. Relying solely on olive oil for your fat intake can lead to a deficiency in these important nutrients, which are crucial for brain health, inflammation control, and cardiovascular health. A diet lacking in omega-3 fatty acids can contribute to inflammation, cognitive decline, and increased cardiovascular risk. Incorporate a variety of healthy fats into your diet to ensure you're getting a complete range of essential nutrients. 14. Not considering allergies and sensitivities. Some individuals may have allergies or sensitivities to olive oil, which can cause symptoms ranging from mild digestive discomfort to severe allergic reactions, such as anaphylaxis. These allergies can be triggered by proteins present in the oil, especially if it's not highly refined. Ignoring potential allergies or sensitivities to olive oil can result in serious health consequences, including allergic reactions and anaphylaxis. If you suspect an allergy, consult with an allergist and consider undergoing testing to confirm. 15. Using olive oil in place of medicine. While olive oil offers numerous health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and promoting heart health, it should never be used as a replacement for prescribed medications or medical treatments. Some people might believe that consuming large amounts of olive oil can cure or prevent serious health conditions like high cholesterol or hypertension, but this is a misconception.